Hello and welcome to our virtual open house. My name is Haley Rice and I am your child's 12th grade English teacher this year. In this video, I'm just going to walk you through some of our course expectations and an overview of some of the things we're going to be learning about this year. So on this first slide here is my contact information, my district email address, and the phone number that you can reach me at my office at Williamsville North High School. I'm going to do a little bit of moving my video around so that you can see the slide. But here's our course overview. Marking period 1 we call English 101, and this is focused on preparation for college and careers after students have graduated high school. So this marking period is going to focus on preparing students for their post-high school reading and writing expectations. So this includes an introduction to public speaking and writing and developing a personal narrative essay. So one thing to note is that although we don't write the official college essay in English 12R, students may choose to further develop this essay, and I can work with them on this if you would like, and then they could use this as their college essay if they would like to, but we don't formally write the college essay for this course. In marking period 2, we move into the senior inquiry project, which is a formal research paper and a presentation. So this marking period will focus on the Senior Inquiry Project, also known as the SIP or SIP, and the primary objectives of this project include acquiring effective research skills, utilizing the research process, learning how to write and cite formal research-based paper, and improving communication and presentation skills. It ends with students doing a 10 to 15 minute presentation on their research and presenting their findings and their paper to myself and to their classmates. So in addition, students also develop their time management skills, their independence, and their responsibility while working on this project, which is really preparing them for whatever endeavors they continue on after their high school graduation. Marking period 3 and marking period 4, we move into electives. Our first elective topic that's been chosen is heroes and villains, and our fourth marking period elective hasn't been chosen yet. I'm going to design it kind of based on student interests, so that will be coming, more information on that later in the year. So after you view this video, you will be able to click through these slides individually, and you can choose to reread them if you want to. And I just want to point out that at the bottom of this slide, if you click on my Bitmoji down here, if you click on the books, it will bring you to our English 12R course syllabus so that you could read that if you would like to. So for our course expectations, since we are beginning the school year with a hybrid model of school and instruction, students will have access to assignments, whether they're at home or in their traditional classroom setting. We will be a pretty much paperless classroom this year, so that means that all of the assignments are always going to be online. So if you're unable to physically attend class, it's my expectation that students will complete their assignments remotely instead, because they have all of the resources and the video lessons and tutorials provided to do so. So generally, we'll be following the same class agenda, whether students are learning online or if they're in school. So it's important that students are logging on to Google Classroom every day to view their daily PowerPoint. So the PowerPoint is going to contain links to all of their assignments, and it will also contain video lessons and tutorials to help them complete those assignments. There's a video included right here. It was also included in my letter to parents at the beginning of the school year that kind of walks you through how students are going to maneuver these virtual lessons and complete them on their own. And you can also view some of the demonstrations of tutorials and lectures that students will be getting virtually if they're not in person with me in the classroom. So if you have any questions about our virtual open house, any of the information I shared with you, feel free to reach out to me through email, or I also included my phone number back in the previous slides. And I wish I could meet you all face to face, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.